Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So in this video you are going to learn how to send internship program certificates of your company to students on their WhatsApp. Right, now let's see what is happening here. So you have received responses in a form that you have created with the help of 𝗏𝗏𝗯𝗍 application, and you are receiving the responses from the students who are doing internship in your company, and you want to provide them certificates of completion. So to create certificates you are using Google Slides. Now you are going to save those certificates here in a Google Drive and create a shareable link of those certificates, and then you are going to share those certificates on the WhatsApp account of your students. Now let's talk about the applications we have used. So first is 𝗏𝗏𝗯𝗍, which is a form building application in which you can create many type of forms like survey forms or research forms. And as we have used 𝗏𝗏𝗯𝗍, you can use any other form building application such as Pabbly Form Builder or Google Form. Then we have Google Slides, which is an online word processor in which you can create presentation and templates like our certificate. Then comes Google Drive, which is an online cloud-based storage in which you can upload and save your files. Then comes WhatsApp, and you guys already know it's a very widely used instant messaging application. Now suppose that you are running a company and in your company you have hired students for internship. So when they complete their internship, you want to collect the data and the contact details of your students. So you have created a form with the help of 𝗏𝗏𝗯𝗍 to collect the data of your students. And according to the data of the students, you want to create certificates for them, and you are going to share those certificates on the WhatsApp account of the students. Now to get this done, you have two ways. One is that as and when they fill this 𝗏𝗏𝗯𝗍 here, you are going to manually collect the data from the form responses and then manually create certificates with the help of Google Slides for each and every intern or student. Then you are going to save those certificates here in a Google Drive and create a shareable file link. Then you are going to manually compile a message for each and every student in which you are going to attach the file link and deliver here on WhatsApp. Now guys, this process can be done, but it is very repetitive and tiresome for you. So we have a better way for you. What if I tell you that as and when you receive a response here from your student in a 𝗏𝗏𝗯𝗍, a certificate get automatically generated with the help of Google Slide, and that same certificate get automatically stored here in a Google Drive, and the shareable file link of that certificate get automatically created and delivered here on the WhatsApp account of your student as a new message. Yes guys, this can be done and this can happen by connecting all these four applications. But the issue is there is no direct connection or integration present between all these applications. So to connect these applications, I am using a software called as Pabbly Connect. So guys, Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software, and the best part of it is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge to make this connection between 𝗏𝗏𝗯𝗍, Google Slides, Google Drive and WhatsApp. So now let me give you a demo on my screen of how this connection between all these applications is going to work in real time. So guys, this is the 𝗏𝗏𝗯𝗍 that we have created to collect the data of interns who have completed the internship. And you can see here, you're here because you have successfully completed the internship program. Now please fill the form to get the certificate. So we are going to collect the data to provide certificates to the interns, and we will send them the certificates on their WhatsApp account. So this is the WhatsApp account of one of the intern. So I'm going to enter the details of one of the interns. So let me fill the name as 𝗏𝗏𝗍𝗪𝗏, and the email ID is this, and the phone number, and the internship duration. You have to fill the internship duration like this, from this date to this date. So I'm going to fill the date as, let's say, 1st of January, 2021 to 30 September 2021. All right. Now I'm going to click on submit here. And it is saying check your WhatsApp for the certificate. So we will see in the WhatsApp we receive the certificate or not. So I'm going to my WhatsApp and you can see we have received a new message here. And the message is showing, hello 𝗼𝗍𝗪𝗍 𝗖𝙑, congratulations. We are pleased to inform you that you have successfully completed the internship. Please find the attached PDF containing your certificate. All right, and this is the PDF attached in this message. Let's see what's in the PDF. And you can see the certificate of 𝗼𝗍𝗪𝗍 𝗖𝙑 get automatically generated like this and delivered to the WhatsApp account with this message. Right, so this is how it is going to work in real time. Now you guys are wondering how I managed to bring this message here without any manual compilation of the message and creation of any certificate, just by filling the form here in jot form, and we receive the certificate right here. So guys, let me give you the easiest steps by which you can also make this automation or connection between jot form and WhatsApp. So guys, these are the 5 easy steps by which you can also make this integration or connection between your jot form and WhatsApp and send internship program certificates to students. So step 1 is connect jot form to Pabbly Connect with the help of webhook URL, and step 2 is collect the data from jot form in Pabbly Connect. So first of all, we are going to open Pabbly Connect and connect our jot form. Then we collect the data from jot form to here in Pabbly Connect. And third step is send the same data to Google Slides for creating a certificate from template. So in the third step, we are going to connect our Google Slide with Pabbly Connect and generate a certificate from a template. Step 4 says create a shareable link of certificate in Google Drive. So we are going to save the certificate here to generate a shareable link of the certificate. Then step 5 says send the same data to 360 dialog for sending messages on WhatsApp. So at the final step, we are going to send the certificate to our students on their WhatsApp account, and to do that we are going to use an application which is called 360 dialog. So I'll tell you what 360 dialog is later on in this video. First of all, let's jump back to our step 1 and open Pabbly Connect. So you have to open your browser first and type here Pabbly pabbly.com. So this is the landing page of Pabbly. From here, put your cursor on this products icon and click on connect. Now you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes by clicking here on sign up free button, which I have already done. So I'm clicking on sign in directly. So after signing in, you'll see this all apps section of Pabbly. From here, come to this connect panel and click on access now. So this will bring you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And to start working here, you have to create workflows like these. So to create a workflow, you have to click on this create workflow button. And here you have to enter a name to your workflow. So I'm giving the name. So I have filled the name as internship certificates from jot form to WhatsApp. Now click on create here. And as a workflow get created, you will see these two things, the trigger and the action. So Pabbly Connect work on these two things. Trigger says when this happens, action says Pabbly Connect do this. As in our use case, the trigger would be a new response collected from jot form, and the action would be send internship certificates to WhatsApp. All right. So first of all, you have to click here on this trigger option. And from this choose app, choose your application as jot form. So after this, you have to select this trigger event, which is this new response. And it will generate this URL. So this is called as a webhook URL. So by using this, we are going to connect our jot form with Pabbly Connect. So you just have to copy this URL from here. And then you have to go to your jot forms dashboard. So this is my jot form dashboard. And here I have created this form, internship program form. All right. So this is the form I have created for this purpose. So in this form, click on this more option and then click on this settings. So in the settings page, you will find this integrations option here. Click on it. And in the integrations, you will find in the search bar webhooks option. So this is webhooks option. So you can see the integration up and running is showing up. So this is a previous integration that I have connected. So you can remove this and make another integration. So you will see a field which is saying add webhook when you open this webhooks option. So in this add webhook field, you have to paste the copied webhook that you have copied from Pabbly Connect like this. So paste this webhook here like this, and then click on complete integration. So you can see integration is ready. It is saying you have successfully created your integration. That means we are connected with our Jot form with Pabbly Connect. And in Pabbly Connect, you can see it is showing waiting for the webhook response. This means we have to fill another form and get the data captured here from Jot form to Pabbly Connect. So let me open my form. So I'm going to my form and I'm opening it. And let's fill it once more. So I'm filling the name as this. And the email and the phone number and the duration, the same duration, and clicking on submit here. And the form is filled here. Let's check in this Pabbly Connect if it had captured the data. So you can see the data is captured here, right? And it is showing the same things that I have filled. All right, so our first step and the second step is also completed. Now what I'm going to do is I'll apply another function of Pabbly here, which is called datetime formatter, to bring the current date, because we need the date to put on the certificate. So I'm clicking here on this plus icon, and from the choose app, I'm choosing the application as datetime formatter. This is datetime formatter by Pabbly. So in this action event, you have to select current date and click on connect. So now it is asking for the format in which you want the date. So I want the date in this 𝐷𝙠𝗵𝘆 format. And it is asking if you want to include the time also. So we do not want time, so I'm keeping it false. And then click on save and send test request. So we got the date of today's. All right, like this. Now what you have to do is to apply the next step. So let me show you the step. So our next step is this: send the same data to Google Slides for creating a certificate from template. So now we are going to connect our Google Slide and we will create a certificate from the template. Let's do this. So now in Pabbly Connect, click on this action window, and from the choose app, choose your application as Google Slides. So this is Google Slides we have. And in the action event, you have to select create presentation from template, this option, and then click on connect. And from here, you have to select this add new connection and then click on connect with Google Slides. So from this window, it will ask for the email ID by which your Google Slides application is connected. So select that email ID. And then it will ask for a few accesses, which is completely safe. So click on continue. So you can see the authorization is successful and it starts showing connected. That means we are connected with our Google Slides. Now the first field that is opening up is the template presentation field. All right. So it is asking for which template we are going to use to generate a certificate. So let me show you the template. So this is the template that we have created in Google Slide, and the name of the template is Internship Certificate Template. So when in Pabbly Connect, when you click here, you will find a list. So this is the list of all the templates and certificates and documents I have created in my Google Slide. I can show you. This is my Google Slides, and here I have all these documents created for various purposes. So you can find yours here in this list by searching the name internship. So this is internship certificate template. So select it. Then it will ask for title of new presentation. All right, so in the title you can have the name of this new presentation in the name of your student only. So you can find the name of your student by clicking here on jot form option. So you will find the data that you have collected from jot form like this. So you can map the name by clicking here, and you will find the name like this, Neeraj. So map the full name, and also to make this to make this title unique, the title of the presentation unique, you can map this submission ID also. So this is a number which is unique, so map this also. After this, it is asking for the presentation's location. So it is asking for the folder in my Google Drive in which I want to save this certificate. All right. So when you click here, you will find the list of all the folders I have in my Google Drive. So I can show you, this is my Google Drive here, and I have this folder for this purpose, which is Logitech internship certificates. And in my drive, I have all these folders for various purposes. So in Pabbly Connect, you can find your folder by typing the name Logitech. So this is it. Select the folder. Then it is asking for the name, duration, date. So what are these things? So let me show you the certificate template. So in this certificate template, you can notice the name is in double curly braces, the duration and the date as well. So why we have put these braces around these things? Because these are the variable things which are going to change with each and every certificate. The name of the student is going to change, the duration can change, the date can change as well. So to get these things filled automatically whenever a new certificate get generated, you have to map the values of these things here in Pabbly Connect. So in the name, click here, then click on jot form option and map the name of the student like this. So map the name. Then in the duration field, click here and you will find the duration here as well. This is the duration of internship, map it. Then in the date field, click on this date time formatter by which we have fetched the current date. So when you click here, you will find the current date, map it. Then click on save and send test request. So you can see it started showing this kind of response, and this response, it is showing a presentation ID. That means a new presentation is created. Let's check in my Google Drive in the folder which is this Logitech internship folder, and you can see we have a new certificate here, and the name is 𝗫𝙗 𝗫𝗯𝗃 and this number. So let me open this. So a new certificate get generated accordingly, right? So this is how you can generate the certificate. Now the next step is to connect our Google Drive. All right, so click on this plus button, and from the section window, select the application as Google Drive and the action event as share a file with anyone. So now we are going to generate a shareable file link. All right, so now click on connect here, and from this window, select add new connection and then click on connect with Google Drive. So in this window, it will ask for the email ID by which your drive is connected. So select that email ID. Give the required access, that is completely safe. Click on continue. So it is started showing connected. That means we are connected with Google Drive. And in this field, it is asking for the file ID. So here you have to map the ID which is generated here in this previous step, this presentation ID. So to map this, first of all, toggle this map button to on, erase this stuff. And from this option, Google Slides, click here and map this presentation ID like this. Then click on save and send test request. So you can see the response is like this. Drive permission, anyone with link, role is reader, and here you can see it has generated the shareable links of the file. So we have generated a PDF link as well that we are going to use. Alright, now it is time to apply our final step. So the final step is to send the same data to 360 dialog for sending messages on WhatsApp. Alright, so now we are going to send messages along with the link of the certificate on the WhatsApp account of a student. And to do that, we are going to use this 360 dialog application. Now I'll tell you what is 360 dialog and how we are going to use it. So now in Pabbly Connect, click on this plus icon. And from this choose app, choose your application as 360. This WhatsApp by 360 dialog, select this. And in the action event, select the send template message. And then click on connect. And from this window, you have to choose add new connection if you are making the connection with 360 dialog for the first time. Alright. So select this, then it will ask for this API key and the domain. So from where you will find these two things. So you have to go to your 360 dialog account, open WhatsApp account, then generate API key. Alright. So let me bring you to my 360 dialog account here. So this is my 360 dialog account. You can also set up your own 360 dialog account, and to do that you can use our link that we have pasted in the description box, and by that link you can also avail affordable prices of this service which 360 dialogs provide. Alright, so now I am clicking on WhatsApp accounts, and here you can see we have this button generate API key. So when you click on this, you can generate your own API key and paste it here in API key field. And in the domain field, you can enter the domain which looks something like this. So you'll find the domain while generating the API key. Alright. So after pasting these two things here, just click on save and your connection will be made. Now I have already made a connection before in a different workflow with my 360 dialog account. So I'm going to use this existing connection. So generating API key is one-time task. Once you generate the API key, you can use the same API key for making connections afterwards, or you just use this method of choosing existing connection. So I am choosing existing connection and clicking on save. And start showing connected. Now you guys are wondering why I'm using this application. Actually, to send messages on WhatsApp, you must have the access of WhatsApp's chat API, right? So 360 dialog is an application which have the official access of WhatsApp's chat API. So by using this application, you can send messages on WhatsApp directly and very easily. Now you can see below here these fields. First is the template field. So it is asking the template you want to choose. So what is this template? Let me show you in my 360 dialog account. I'm clicking on manage templates, and we have all these templates here. So let me open one for you. So guys, templates are nothing but the messages we are going to send to anyone on WhatsApp. Alright. So to send messages on WhatsApp via 360 dialog, you have to create templates first here. So to create a template, you have to click here on add template. And in this field, you can give the name to your template. Here you can select the category of your template. And in the language, you can select the language. And in the body, you can enter the main body of your template or the message you want to send. After this, click here on preview and submit. And after submitting your template, WhatsApp's parent company, that is Facebook, will review your template and approve your template. It is just to avoid spamming in WhatsApp. Alright. So as and when your template got approved from Facebook, you can use these templates to send messages to anyone. Right. So in Pabbly Connect, it is asking for which template I want to use. So I want to use a template which is called certificate link template. So you will find the template here in this drop down. So this is the template. I am selecting this. After selecting the template, this namespace field will get automatically filled. The language code also, because we have written the templates in only one language, that is English, EN. And then it will ask for the recipient's mobile number. So here you have to map the phone number on which you want to send the messages, which is the phone number of your student, of course. So you will find the number of your WhatsApp number of your student or intern by clicking here and clicking on jot form new response. So in jot form, we have gathered the data of our student. So when you click here, you will find the data. And here is the number. So map it. Then it is asking for the header document URL. So here you have to click and you will find the URL of the certificate which you have created in this Google Drive. Alright, so let me show you. We have generated this URL PDF export link application PDF in this previous step. So we have to map this link here in this header URL field. So click here, click on Google Drive, map the URL, the PDF one, this. Then it is asking for the file name. So you will find the file name from the same place, Google Drives. Here is the file name, map it. Then it is asking for the body fields. So what are these body fields? So let me bring you to my 360 Dialog account again. And I'm opening the template we are using, which is the certificate link. And here you can see, you can notice in this message, we have this 1, 2, and 3 in double curly braces. So these are actually the body fields we have. So these are the variable things of the message, just like our certificate template. So as you can see, after hello, we are going to put the name of intern, which is going to change every time with the new message. And here successfully completed. Here you can enter the program in which he was enrolled or doing in your company. So this can also change. And after this, we can enter the name of the firm. All right. So to get these things changed dynamically whenever you send a new message, you have to map the values of these body fields here in Pabbly Connect. All right. So let us map these things. The first body field is the name. So map the name of your intern, that is this. So map the full name. Body field 2 is what is he doing in our company. So he's doing a internship program. Map it. And here you can enter the name of your company. So can we have the name of the company, please? So we do not have the company name in this form. So you can manually enter the name of your company, which is the Logitech Private Limited. Right. All right. So after mapping all these things, when I click here on save and send test request, this data according to the slide is going to delivered on the this WhatsApp account. All right. So let me click here on save and send test request. So you can see it is showing this type of response here, and we have received a new message. Let's check what is in the message. So the message is saying this: hello 𝗪𝗵𝘆 𝗼𝗯𝗯𝗹𝘆 congratulations. We are pleased to inform you that you have successfully completed the internship program. And along with this message, we have the certificate also. All right. So this is the same certificate I have shown you, which we have generated, and the same certificate is shared here on the WhatsApp. So the connection is working fine. Now let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in the trigger option, we connected jot form. Then we connected jot form with the help of URL, webhook URL, and then we filled the form again to submit the response, to capture the response here. Then we applied date time formatter to get the current date, which we are going to use in certificate. After this, we created the certificate with the help of Google Slides by connecting Google Slides and filling all these details here. Then we generate a shareable link from Google Drive of this presentation or certificate that has generated. After this, we connected 360 Dialog application to send messages on WhatsApp with the help of the templates we have created in 360 Dialog. All right, now you just have to click on save. And one more important thing I have to tell is that you can make this workflow run 100 times in a month with the help of Pabbly Connect's free account, because free Pabbly Connect account provides you 100 free tasks every new month. So if 100 tasks are sufficient for you, you can use Pabbly Connect for free forever. Also, we are going to paste the link of this same workflow and you can clone this same workflow in your own Pabbly Connect account by clicking on that link and start using it. So guys, this is it for today's video. If you want any other type of integration, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries and discuss it from this forum and check the pricing of this software from this link. And guys, as we did today, you can make many different type of integrations using many different softwares by Pabbly Connect and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. So guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.